Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Match and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to keep your turkey moist and also have a fire safe Thanksgiving. Because one time I almost burned my house down. So we're going to get to that story. But first off, we're going to talk about the secret on how to keep your turkey moist. So I'm not claiming to be Gordon Ramsay or Martha Stewart. I just know how to keep a turkey nice and moist. Also, I'm not going to make you watch me cook a turkey. I know everyone has their own family traditions. I'm not trying to change your recipes, but what I'm going to do is teach you on how to have your moist turkey and also a fire safe Thanksgiving. So all you have to do is get 3 to 4 apples, guys. All the moisture in this apple, you're going to cut it in 4s and you're going to fill it into the cavity of the turkey. And all the moisture from this apple explodes outwards into the turkey the whole time it's cooking, and your turkey will be moist. I promise to you guys, it will be moist and nice and perfect. If you don't have apples, you can use something like pears or even onions. Some people even put lemons. So you may say, well, Marlo, I don't like apples. Well, your whole turkey's not going to taste like apples, and you're not going to eat the apples, okay, guys? So I'm going to give you an example. You can put apples, pears, onions, lemons, oranges. All you're doing is using all the moisture from the fruit, and it's going to explode while your turkey's cooking and keep your turkey nice and moist. I promise you guys, when you're done cooking your turkey, you can comment below and tell me how good your turkey was. Let's get off to how I almost burned my house down. I did not have a fire extinguisher and I almost burned my house down. So let me get off to the story, guys. All right, guys, so we've always heard about these stories about people burning their houses down every year because of Thanksgiving. You wonder, how the heck does somebody almost burn their house down? I never thought it would happen to me. And it's not the way that you think. I did not fry my turkey. I did not do that. I'm going to tell you exactly what I did wrong. This was a long time ago when I was younger, experiencing with turkeys, and I was a rookie, and I messed up. So my first mess up was I used these delicate foil pans. This one has got a wire frame on it, but I didn't have one, and these are real flimsy, and this is why I almost burned my house down. So I'm going to tell you the story. First off, your goal is to always get something really stern and strong like this for your turkey. But what happened was, I'll reenact what I did. I was taking my turkey out of the oven. It's one of those low, old school ovens. And I went to grab this turkey out of my oven to baste it. That was the #1 problem. I took it out of the oven. I put it on the counter and I was basting the turkey. But there was a lot of liquid and grease inside this flimsy foil. So what happened was, when I went to go back in the oven, I was wearing slippery socks, guys, slippery socks. And the weight of the turkey, as I was putting in the oven, I fell into the oven, guys. I joke you not, I fell into the oven. All the grease went into the oven and exploded in my face. Thank God I have my eyebrows still, guys. And my whole kitchen, because all the vapor of all the grease went into my kitchen like a fireball. It was like a cartoon, guys. Like I'm not joking. My whole kitchen went into a big fireball flame. I ran out. All I had was my long johns, no shirt. I went down 2 houses down. I knocked on the door, and a lady answered the door. I was like, please give me a fire extinguisher. She asked no questions. She gave me that fire extinguisher immediately. I ran back to my kitchen. I swear, I thought my whole house was on fire, guys. And I did not have a fire extinguisher on standby. This is why people's houses are turning on fire every day, even on Thanksgiving. So I go back to my kitchen, and thank God my kitchen was not on fire. All the flames were out. It was like God-given, guys, a miracle. My kitchen did not turn on fire. There was no black marks. I just had a burnt turkey. So, guys, I have a fire extinguisher on standby. I have this one that has like a quick pin release. If you don't have one, I'll probably put one down in the description so you can find a good one. And guys, in case of a fire, your whole family here in Las Vegas, there's a lot of fires, and what I noticed, no one has a plan, right? If you especially if you have a big house or a small house, it doesn't matter. If you have a second-story house and you have children, you should have an escape plan for your children, your family. Make them go through exercises on how to open up the window, and not only that, on how to bash the window just in case they can't open the window. And now they have these for all homes, even my house on the second floor. I have a rope that ties to a bed if you need to get down and escape from the house, guys. You gotta have an escape plan. So happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye.